Hi everybody and welcome back to Rachel the Scratch Queen. Today we've got 3 of the cash bolts, which is £9 in play. We've got cards 37, 38 and 39. So let's get scratching and see if we can find some winners. Don't need to see the bottom bit just yet. Oh, that will do. Right, so let's get scratching. Oh, what are the 4 symbols that are the same? The 7, the moustache, the crown, and the last one is a safe. So the palm tree, VIP, gold bar, bulb, moustache, that's our first double, sun, glitter ball, pound sign, wad, chest, heart, crown, that's another double, clover, lemon, money bag, grapes, sun and moon, and the last one is a diamond. So there's nothing up there. Can we find fingers for a win? We have coin, car, necklace and a boat. So nothing on that one. Do that all over again. Sun and moon, or moon and stars, sorry. Palm tree, glasses. We could have done with that on the last card. That would have been a double winner. Lemon, chest, apple. Just make sure that's recording. Yep. Star. I think we needed that on the lot. Oh no, yes we did actually, for a win. Pound sign, gem, oh, cloud. Isn't it funny, all the ones we needed for a win on the first card, 7, are all coming out now. Gold, crown, that's our first double, rainbow, wad, money bag, last 2, clover, and the last one is grapes. So nothing on that one, but can we get the fingers? We've got car, volt, nugget and a watch. On to the last card. Let's hope we can find a win here. Cloud, gem, star, stack. I think that's the first time we've had stack in these 3 cards. Apple, wad, heart, gold bar, palm tree, chest, rainbow. Come on, don't let us have another bust session. Lemon, VIP. Oh god, my arm's hurting. Come on. Money bag, 7, clover. I think we're going to have a busty. Bulb, and the last one is a cactus. So no, nothing there, unless the fingers can save us. We've got helicopter, car, yacht. Oh, talk about cutting it fine. Fingers on the last one. So let's see what it's for. It's little zeros. Oh, well, that makes it a profit session. Lovely. £9 spent, £10 back. Now that is what you call saved by the skin of your teeth. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you've liked what you've just watched, please hit that thumbs up button for me. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. It really helps the channel. And if you leave a comment, I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye bye.